Before you blame your face, listen carefully. If your photos don't look good, it's not your face. You're just posing wrong. Today, I'll show you simple photo poses for boys that make you look confident and attractive. Stay till the end. The last tip is very important. Most boys make the same mistake. They stand straight, they stare at the camera, and they force a smile. That ruins the photo. Good photos are not about looks. They are about angles, posture, and confidence. Let's start. Pose number 1, the side look. Turn your face slightly left or right. Don't look at the camera. This pose makes you look calm, confident, and mysterious. Pose number 2, one hand in pocket. Keep one hand inside your pocket. Let the other hand relax. Turn your body a little sideways. This looks natural and stylish in photos. Pose number 3, the leaning pose. Lean against a wall, a bike, or a railing. Bend one leg slightly. This removes stiffness and makes the photo effortless. Pose number 4, the walking shot. Walk slowly. Don't pose, don't think. Ask someone to click while you move. This looks real and cinematic. Pose number 5, the thinking pose. Touch your chin lightly. Look away from the camera. This gives a smart and mature vibe. Keep it simple. Pose number 6, the sitting pose. Sit relaxed. Lean slightly forward. Keep your shoulders straight. This shows confidence and control. Pose number 7, arms crossed. Cross your arms, but keep your shoulders relaxed and your chest open. This pose signals strength without aggression. Pose number 8, looking down. Lower your gaze slightly instead of staring at the camera. This creates a calm and mysterious energy. Pose number 9, hands together. Bring your hands together in front of you, relaxed. This shows control and composure. Pose number 10, adjusting clothing. Pretend to adjust your watch, jacket, or sleeve. Action makes the pose feel natural and unforced. Pose number 11, hands behind back. Stand tall with your hands behind your back. This improves posture and presence instantly. Pose number 12, mirror selfie. Hold your phone slightly to the side of your face. Angle your body, not straight on. Keep the phone lower than eye level. Mirror selfies look best when they feel casual, not forced. Now, the most important tips. Relax your face. No fake smile. Push your chin slightly forward. Use natural light. Morning or sunset is best. Small changes, big difference. Remember this, good photos are not about being handsome. They are about posing smart. Save this video, try these poses, and watch your photos improve.